In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to retrieve your Hotmail account, whether you forgot your password, lost access to your email, or your account has been temporarily locked by Microsoft. Don't worry, because the recovery process is actually very simple if you follow the right steps carefully. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to regain access to your account safely and quickly. So let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, head over to Google or directly to the official Microsoft website. Using the official Microsoft recovery page is very important because it helps protect your account from fake websites or phishing scams. Next, type Microsoft Account Recovery Page into the Google search bar and press Enter. After the search results appear, look carefully for the official Microsoft link. Usually, the website address will contain Microsoft.com or Live.com. Once you find the correct result, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the official Microsoft Account Recovery page where the recovery process begins. When the page loads, you'll see several options related to signing in, resetting passwords, and recovering accounts. Click on the option that says something like Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Microsoft may also provide a direct recovery form that helps verify your identity and restore access to your Hotmail account. Make sure you're following the official instructions displayed on the page. After that, you'll be asked to enter the email address connected to the Hotmail account you want to recover. Carefully type in the full email address and double-check for spelling mistakes before continuing. If you no longer remember the full email, Microsoft may also provide additional ways to help identify your account. The next step usually involves identity verification. Microsoft might send a verification code to your backup email address or phone number connected to the account. If you still have access to those recovery options, simply enter the code you receive and continue to the next step. If you no longer have access to them, don't panic. Microsoft may ask you additional security questions or request information about the account, such as previously used passwords, contacts you emailed, or other account details to confirm ownership. Once your identity has been verified successfully, you'll be given the option to reset your password. Create a strong new password that is both secure and easy for you to remember. A good password usually contains a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After setting your new password, save the changes and try signing back into your Hotmail account. If your account was temporarily locked instead of forgotten, Microsoft may ask you to complete a short verification process to unlock it. In many cases, this can be done by entering a security code sent to your phone number. After verification, your account should become accessible again. And that's basically it. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Hotmail account and regain access to your emails without too much trouble. If you still run into problems, Microsoft also offers additional support options and recovery forms that can help you further. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this tutorial helped you successfully retrieve your Hotmail account quickly and safely. Don't forget to keep your recovery email and phone number updated in the future, because it can make account recovery much easier if you ever lose access again.